Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: charged watch, phone nearby, companion app installed. First, power on the watch and set language. Next, open the app and choose Add Device. This starts pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that the watch screen shows a pairing code. Once you see the code, confirm it in the app to link devices. This immediate pairing step gets communication working so you can move on to configuring features. Once paired, configure core features. Pick a watch face, set notification preferences, and adjust brightness so the screen is readable outdoors. Next, enable health sensors and grant app permission to sync heart rate, steps, and sleep data. This ensures continuous tracking. Make sure gestures and shortcuts are assigned for quick actions. Double tap or swipe gestures save time. If an update is available, install it now to fix bugs and improve battery life. These middle steps tailor the watch for daily use. To finish, calibrate sensors by following on-screen tests and set daily goals for steps and activity. This improves accuracy and motivation. Enable automatic backups and Find My Watch so you don't lose data or locate a misplaced device. Finally, test notification delivery and quick replies. If something goes wrong, restart the watch first. If issues persist, unpair and repair the device, and only then perform a factory reset. This troubleshooting order fixes most problems without losing your setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.